Everyone, if you want to know how we turned our blank wall from this to this, then keep watching this video because I'm going to share how we installed this Enjoy the Wood world map. Hi everyone, welcome to today's vlog. This is a very special vlog because I am installing Enjoy the Wood world map and I'm going to show you step-by-step process. This world map came in a box all the way from Ukraine. So once you open it, these are the pins and this is a wall of our dining room. So this is our dining room and this wall doesn't have anything. I wanted to have something special. That's why we ordered this world map. So let's open it now. Oh, so it has all the pieces and the world map. Oh my god, we have to put everything together. Okay, so each country has its own map and there are many pieces. As you can see, this is Africa, this is Russia. So we have to put all the countries according to the map and it will form a world map. And one thing to notice is this map is a 3D map. So if you come closer, you will see this is a 3D map. So they make maps in 2D too, but 2D maps are not that expensive and they are not that appealing too. So I think 3D maps are the best. And if you're wondering what is the model and the color of this map, it's smoky. It's called as smoky 3D and the size is large. This is a very interesting thing. I will show you in a bit. So look at that. These are the pins of all the countries. So I can say it's Canada, India, and there are all the countries in the world. So what it does is once the map is ready, you can pin the countries you have visited. And Dhaval has visited around 15 countries in the world. So we will just put the pins in that map. I'll show you. Keep watching the video, okay? These are the instructions and we have to make a world map. First, we are making world map on our dining table because we know that what's the sequence, right? So this is Alaska, this is Canada and we are planning to make here and then we will put it on the wall. So that's our plan. Dhaval is obsessed about these pins. Do you have something to say?
No, I just think it's such a nice idea, right? To have such pins like with flags in them.
Yeah. So this is kind of a travel inspiration. Whenever you will see these pins, you will know that okay, I'll have to finish these pins and put it on my world map, right? It's a kind of travel inspiration.
Correct. No, really good.
So now we have arranged almost all the countries according to the world map and the measurements are also correct. And this is a very interesting part. So they have given these what you call them? What is this? It's like a mold and the countries are so tiny that we have to take them out from this mold. So look at this. So Mauritius is a very small country, right? It's an island, so it's very small. Even New Zealand, look at that, it's so small. So I'm just taking this out from these molds. So I'm removing the countries from these. So it's very tricky because you don't want to break the countries. So look at that. This Bali is very small. So I just put it in the dish. So this is the tip if you want to, because this is all garbage and these are the countries. So put everything aside and just take the countries out. So look at that. Let's say if I want to take out the Cuba, so I will just crack it and then take out the Cuba. They have given these double-sided tapes. So Dhaval is applying behind the countries and the placement of the stickers are also given. So put the stickers according to the map. I'm done with, taking out the countries from those molds, and look at this. This is all garbage and these are the countries. Okay, the first thing Dhaval did was place the 1 and 2 stickers.
So those are the guiding corners.
What is that, Dhaval?
So those are the guiding corners.
Okay.
So basically what they have done is they're saying that if you're ordering large, you need to have 150 centimeter width and 90 centimeter height. So your map should basically go in that rectangle.
Right. Okay, so those are our guiding poles.
Corners, yeah.
Corners, and this is the first one Dhaval put. So now we are going to take one by one and place it on the wall. Build the map on a surface and then just place one by one. This is Canada's map. Oh, let's do it. So this is like a puzzle, you have to see the groups and the fit the pieces accordingly. So it's just like playing puzzles. All done. Halfway done?
I think so. Now all we need to do is we need to put Antarctica here.
Yeah,
so we
this
know
one.
the height.
Height,
Right?
yeah.
And then
Then Australia.
all the other small countries will be contained in this rectangle of 90 to 150.
So the map is almost done. Just these islands and little countries are remaining for. It's 12 o'clock in the night and we are so tired, so we are going to sleep because tomorrow we have to work, and all the remaining pieces we are going to complete tomorrow. I love it. We love it. Hi everyone. So as you all know, yesterday we couldn't complete the whole map because there are so many tiny islands. They're there and they're like so small, like look at Cuba. So I'm going to put them on the map today and I'm going to show you how I do it. So thing is that follow this map. It has given the location of each island and just place it. Okay, so it's not a rocket science. It's how I am putting it. So I checked in the map, so this Azores is somewhere over here in line with Morocco, so I put it over here. In this map, if you see, this Azores is near Morocco, so I put it right there. This is how my map is looking so far. This is aeroplane. You put it, okay? Papa, help her.
Can you put it here, aeroplane? No, like. Press. Oh, it will.
Where do you want to put?
Where do you want to stick? Where do you want to put? Not like this. Not like this. Turn. Yeah, like that.
Put
Very
it.
good.
Yay! Eva did
You
it.
did it.
Eva did it.
You have to tell me, okay?
Where is Canada?
No, where is Canada? Yeah, can you touch?
Correct.
Correct. Where is India?
Where is India?
Where is India?
Yay!
India, correct. Where is Australia?
Oh, yes.
Good job.
Such a smart baby, Baba. Tu.
Smart baby. Oh.
Where is India?
India.
Yes.
Where is Australia?
Where is Australia?
Australia.
Oh, good job. Eva, are you helping Papa? What are you doing? Massaging?
Are you massaging, Baba?
Oh. Put pin. Put over here.
In this hole. No, in the hole.
In the hole.
Like this, see. Press.
Okay, so Dhaval visited Australia. So we put 2 pins over there. Obviously, we put 1 pin on India because it's our birth country. So this is how our wall turned out. This is our dining room. And I think this is a perfect decor for a dining room or living room or bedroom, whatever the room is. This will obviously give us the inspiration to travel more, and this is educational too because Eva learned so many countries. What do you think, Dhaval?
Eva is very curious about where we want to travel next, so she always keeps asking. So I think for her, having this country right on the wall, and she spends a lot of time here because she eats food here, right? So every now and then when she passes by, she'll ask some questions, and we'll kill her curiosity by answering those questions. I think it's a good educational tool for Eva. And also countries. So currently you can see all the pins that you see on the wall. Those are the countries and states we have been to.
Yeah.
But like you can see, there are a lot of countries where you don't see a pin. So we know where to travel next.
Yeah. I think this is a big hit from us. If you're planning to buy it, go for it. Yay! Thanks for watching our vlog. See you in our next vlog. And please do like, share and subscribe. I'm a new YouTuber, so I will appreciate it a lot. Bye-bye.
Bye.